Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are create Hollywood-style color effects using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and start with basic exposure and contrast corrections. Hollywood-style color effects depend on a strong foundation. Go to the Adjustments panel and add a color lookup adjustment layer. In the LUT menu, preview cinematic-style LUTs that introduce rich shadows and controlled highlights. Once you find a strong base look, reduce the opacity so the effect feels polished rather than aggressive. Next, add a curves adjustment layer and shape contrast carefully, keeping highlights smooth and shadows deep but detailed. To push the Hollywood feel, add a color balance layer and slightly